you on the channel Easy Drawing with Mom, and today we are going to draw something very cute. It's Hello Kitty. It's very easy to draw. Let's start. As usual, we start from the head. The head of this kitten is a simple round. Let's draw a circle, huge circle. Okay, it will be head of our Hello Kitty. Then we have to draw ears. It's like triangles. And the second one. Okay. Then eyes. And the second one. Just fill with the black color. Nose. And whiskers. These cute whiskers. A beautiful flower. One, two, three, four. Okay. Our head of the Hello Kitty is done for now. And we should draw the body and paws. Body we draw like this. Boom. And again. Boom. Here we draw the line. And like this. This is dress. A dress of the Hello Kitty. Then paws. And the second one in the sleeve of t-shirt. Okay, we finished with drawing, and now we coloring this. We need to choose two colors of pink for t-shirt and for dress, light one for dress, and the fuchsia dark one for flower and t-shirt. You can use markers and pencils, doesn't matter. Choose the media that you like the most, the material. I like markers because of the color. A lot of different color, and they are very bright. Just a little bit of this light pink. And now I choose another color. Okay. And here we draw the orange and nose, of course, and t-shirt. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press likes if you like, of course, my lessons. Leave comments. Maybe you want to learn how to draw something special, and I will create a lesson for you. Okay, it's done. And also I want to use a light gray to make our Hello Kitty a bit more natural, like this, some shadows. Some shadows here, and this here, and here, another pole, and here. Now it's done.